Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about addition of integers, sign rule for addition of integers. Third one is addition of integers on the number line. So let's start from addition of integers. First one is addition of two positive integers. If we have to add two positive integers, then simply add them as natural number. Okay, as you already know how to add two numbers, so we have to add these two numbers as the natural numbers. So here is a question: plus 6 in which you have to add plus 7, both number are positive. Okay, so to represent positive numbers, no need to put the sign. So all the natural numbers are positive numbers. So here we have to add them as natural number. 6 plus 7, it is 13. Okay, come to addition of two negative integers. When we have to add two negative integers, then what to do? If we have to add two negative integers, then simply add them as a natural number, same as previous one. Just difference is we have to put a negative sign, that is minus sign, before the answer. So here is a question: minus 6 plus minus 7. Okay, we have to add the numbers, that is 6 plus 7, and put the minus sign before that one. So it becomes 6 plus 7, it is 13, and the minus sign is before that one, so it becomes minus 13. Clear? In this way you have to add two positive integers and two negative integers. Now come to addition of one negative and one positive integers. When one is negative and one is positive, how to add them one? If we have to add one negative and one positive integers, then simply subtract the number. Okay, we have to select the bigger number from which we have to subtract the smaller number by ignoring its sign and put the sign of the bigger number. Okay, first step is we have to subtract from bigger number to smaller number and put the sign of bigger number. Clear? So here is an example. First number is minus 6 and second number is 7. So we have to subtract from bigger number to smaller number. So it is 7 minus 6, that equal to, we are getting 1 here. What is the sign of bigger number? So here bigger number is positive, so our result is plus 1. Okay, as 7 is positive, so the result is plus 1. Clear? Come to one more example. We have to add plus 6. Okay, first number is positive and in which we are adding a negative integers, that is minus 7. So what to do? Same step, we have to subtract, that is 7 minus 6. Okay, we are getting 1. Okay, but the bigger number here 7 is negative, so we have to put minus sign before the result, so it become minus 1. Okay, in this way you have to add one positive integers and one negative integers. First step is you have to subtract and put the sign of bigger number. Clear? Now come to sign rule for addition. As you have already discussed all the 4 type of addition, so here is the sign rule for that one. If both number are positive, okay, I am repeating the same. If both number are positive and we are adding them, what to do? We have to add the numbers and put the plus sign. Clear? Second step, when both number are negative, we have to add, then also we have to add, and the sign is negative here. Okay, here the sign is negative. Third case, when first number is positive and second number is negative, then what to do? We have to subtract, and the sign depend on the bigger number. If bigger number is positive, then the result is positive. If bigger number is negative, then the result is negative. Last one is first number is negative and second number is positive, and we are adding that two. Then what to do? We have to subtract from bigger number to smaller number, and depending upon the bigger number, the sign will be positive or negative. Okay, now come to addition of integers on number line. Okay, here we'll discuss how to add two integers on the number line. So there are same 4 steps, 4 types. First one is addition of two positive integers. Here you have to add 3 plus 4. Okay, we have to add 3 plus 4 on the number line. So here is the solution. To add 3 and 4, okay, to add 3 and 4, first we have to move 3 steps to the right side of the 0. So here is the 0 on the number line. Okay, so here is the 0 on the number line, so we have to move as we are adding and both number are positive, so what to do? As you know that while you are adding while you are adding positive integers, we have to move towards right side. So first we have to move 3 steps to the right side, as we are adding 3 to the number. So here I have first jump 3 steps to the right side, so I reached at plus 3. Next step is again move 4 step, okay, towards the right side from the 3. So here it is 4 step from 3, so we reached at 7, okay. So the result become plus 7. So you can say that as we reached at 7, hence plus 3 plus 4, the result is 7. While we are adding two positive integers, we are getting the result as 7, okay. This is the first step. So this show that, okay, from this we can conclude that the sum of two positive integers is always positive, and we have to move towards right side. While we are adding two positive integers, we have to move towards the right side, and the addition is always positive. Come to the second one, addition of two negative integers. Here is an example. We have to add minus 2 and minus 5 using number line. So here is the solution. To add minus 2 and minus 5, first we have to move 2 steps, okay. From 0 we have to move 2 steps towards left side. As it is 0, as it is negative, so we have to move towards left side from 0. So first step is you have to move minus 2 towards left side, so it will reach at number minus 2, clear. Next step, again we have to move 5 steps, okay, towards the left from minus 2. So here it is minus 5, so we reached at minus 7, okay. So we reached at minus 7, here is the number. So you can say that as you reached at point minus 7, so the result, that is the addition of these two number, is also minus 7, okay. So we can conclude that the sum of two negative integers is always negative, okay. While we are adding two negative integers, we have to move towards left side, and the result is always negative, clear. Now come to third type, addition of one negative and one positive integers. First case is if we add one, if the positive integer is greater than negative integer, okay. First case is positive integer is greater than negative integer. Here is an example, that is plus 6, in which you have to add minus 2, okay. So to add plus 6 and minus 2, what to do? First step is we have to jump first number, okay, that may be positive or negative. So here it is positive, so we have to move 6 steps towards right side, okay. We have to jump 6 steps towards right side from 0, okay. While you are adding, so always you have to start from 0. If it is positive, you have to move towards right side. If it is negative, you have to move towards left side. So as we are adding, as we are starting from plus 6, okay, so we have to jump 6 steps towards right side. So we reached at plus 6, clear. Next step is in which you have to add minus 2, okay. So from that number, that is from 6, we have to move 2 steps towards left side, okay. We have to jump 2 steps towards left side from 6. So here it is, so we reached at number 4, that is plus 4. So you can say that, okay, we can conclude that the addition of plus 6 and minus 2 is it is plus 4, okay. The result is plus 4. While we are adding a positive integers with the negative integers, the result is depend upon the, okay, the result is positive. Now come to second case of this type. If the negative integer is greater than positive integer, then what to do? Here is an example. The first number is negative, that is the plus 5, in which you have to add minus 5, in which you have to add plus 4, okay. So to add minus 5 and plus 4, first we have to move 5 steps. First we have to move 5 steps towards left side from 0. As first number is negative, so here it is, that is we reach at minus 5, clear. In the second step, we have to move at the 4 step, okay, plus it is plus 4, so we have to move 4 step towards right side from -5. So here is the number, so we reached at -1, okay, we reached at -1. So we can say that the addition of -5 plus 4 is -1. The result is -1. So when the negative integer is greater than positive integer, the result is always negative, okay, whatever may be the number, the result is always negative. So in this way you have to represent the addition, that is 4 type of addition, with the help of number line you can represent, okay. That's all. Thank you.